City of Pamplona, the young attorney, Honorable Nico Inais Ramirez, Councilors Honorable Shani Valiega, Councilor Ayan Aninion, Councilor Arnold Labi, Councilor Bom Lampaho, Councilor Erica Fabe, soon-to-be Councilors Keith Villegas, wa ko kakita ni Renante Baldado, is he here? Okay. And soon-to-be Councilor, former Vice Mayor Edgardo Retes. Dr. Sohor, Sir R.R., Ma'am Cecil, and the rest of the members of the Board of Judges, ato usgon, kanatong tanan, maayong gabi. Dili ra gyud nako bugayon ang akong istorya diri sa atubangan. Kabalo ko, you are all excited to watch the next part of the program. But tonight, I just would like to say this could be, or this is the last year that I will be standing on this stage as your municipal mayor. Kaya I am on my last term of office as your mayor. And as I was sitting there looking at the activity tonight, I cannot help but mingawon man ko. Paglantaw ko, lingon ko, murag mingawon man ko ani nga mga activities na gikuyugan nato sa tibuok community for all 9 years of work that we do in this town. Pero excited sa ko because Pamplona will continue to soar high and grow, hopefully and God willing, sa able leadership sa atong ulitawo nga abogado nga guwapo pag-iyon na walay uyab. Nga palangga kaayo sa iyahang mami nga naamod karon diri. Excited ko mamulantaw how Pamplona will grow in the coming years. Of course, ako kong i-recognize na agad ako mama ko ng papa at the back, ma. Pa, thank you for being here. And to the parents nga ni Angie karong gabi una, nag-support sa ilang mga dalaga. I cannot help but remember that several years back, I was also on this same stage. Pareho nila, pasok-pasok ko, dreaming to be a Miss Pamplona. Unya, naaniganin ko experience. I do not know if Dr. Sohor can still recall. Back in Dumaguete, he was the judge, we were the candidates. Dok, yung ka musugot ato, Dok, nga na-beauty contest, na-apoy money contest. Dapat nga money contest tanan. Dapat na beauty, na-apoy money. Kaya haron 50-50. And so it ended with someone nagpabuto na nalagyan sa stage. And Dr. Sohor was our judge back then. Pero sa murag 9 ka-pageant in Pamplona, Dr. Sohor, Ma'am Cecil, magsunod na po niya ka, and the rest, pero medyo na akong itawag because they have always been very helpful to improve the quality of program that we hold in this municipality. Nitaas ang standard, ang kalidad, tungod kay di kalidad yun ang atong mga judges. Unya sa mga ginikanan na ni Akaron, thank you for entrusting our young ladies na mo-appeal sa ingon ani ng mga activity. Truly, nagmamaygon ganihan, it has become a platform for them to be heard, for them to showcase what they have, for them to show that dili lang sila guwapa, no, sa ilahang outer appearance, but there is brilliance within them. And kita na community mo yung guide nila so that we will be able to produce matud paganihan ni ingon unsa man gyud ng dalagang Pamplonanhon, the kind of ladies na ang atong community can truly be proud about. Mga di na lang kamulang anon, Daghan kayong salamat sa tanan nga nahimong kabahig sa success sa atong activity tonight. Sa daghan pa nga mga panahon, we will be seeing each other. Even if I will no longer be mayor of this town, but I would love to take part in this activity. Daghan kaayong salamat kanatong tanan nga nagtakukrod. Kung wala mo, di gyud pud maayo ang outcome sa atong activity. Sa atong pageant director, Erica, and the rest of the members of Beauty Committee, daghan kaayong salamat. Kabalo jud ko nga grabe ang hard work. Successful because nitampong ko sa inyong mga abilidad at talento. Nga mga yun lagi po dispensa nga lately, di ta kaayo na magkahibalag. Pero rest assured that I will always be a friend and that wherever I will be in the future, naragid mo'y matawag na Tita Mayor sa tanang panahon. Daghan kayong salamat. God bless us all, and once again, shall we say together, Arriba! Pamplona! Maayong gabi ka na
Thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mayor Janice V. Digamo. Thank you so much for your unwavering support and of course for being the main driving force in the progress of this beautiful municipality.